Essential oils can be used for many different things, but here are some of the best that I personally recommend. These are the best essential oils for everyday use. The first essential oil is lemon essential oil. A few things that this essential oil does is, firstly, it clears bad breath and whitens your teeth and other oral hygiene. It helps with digestion in your gut. Along with digestion, it also helps with stomach pain. And if you're someone who occasionally has blemishes or rashes mysteriously show up, a lemon essential oil can help that if you rub it onto your rash. And lastly, it helps promote weight loss. Another essential oil that I personally recommend you always have in your house is grapefruit essential oil. This is great for cleaning around the house and disinfecting your bathroom. It also helps people with depression and anxiety just by smelling it. And it can also boost your immune system, and it can help with suppressing your appetite, which eventually causes fat loss. And the third essential oil that I personally recommend you have in your house is frankincense essential oil. What this essential oil can help you with is reduce stress, it helps aging lines, it helps reduce stretch marks or blemishes on your skin. It's a natural tropical pain reliever, and it helps with combating flu symptoms. If you're curious about learning more about these essentials and much more, I highly recommend you check out Essential Oils for Beginners: How Essential Oils Change Your Life by Erik Smith. You can get it in the description below.